Hi everyone, and thank you for visiting our QuickLabel QL-850 tech support tutorial. Today we'll discuss installing your printer driver, ink cartridges, and Printhead. Visit our website, astronovaproductid.com, and go to the support section. Click on Downloads and select the QL-850 Windows driver. Download the driver to your computer. Locate the downloaded install file and double-click to begin installation. Follow the wizard on the screen. Once prompted, connect the USB cable between the printer and the computer and finish the steps on the screen. Do not print a test page. Check the desktop. You'll see two new shortcuts for the QL-850 maintenance utility and one called the status monitor. You can also access them by going to the Start menu, All Programs, QuickLabel QL-850, then open the QL-850 maintenance utility. Go to the Cleaning tab, select After Shipping. If you watched our previous video on how to unpack and set up your QL-850 printer, you'll have removed this foam piece already. If you haven't done so, please open the top cover and remove the foam piece and the straps. Open the side door of the printer and insert the ink cartridges in the correct location. Click Next. Open the Printhead latch and remove the plastic caps. Open your brand new printhead. Remove the orange plastic from the printhead. Remove the protective tape. And remove the front piece of plastic and discard it. Hold the printhead from the plastic side. Now insert the printhead at an angle and then press it down and toward the front of the printer. Close the blue latch. Let's take one more look at this procedure from a different camera angle. Hold the printhead from the plastic end and push it at an angle down and towards the front of the printer. Then close the blue latch. Press Next on your computer and complete the after shipping procedure. You can see the ink flow once you're done. Now close the top cover. And that's it. Now you've successfully installed your printer driver, installed your ink cartridges, and installed your new printhead. In our next series of videos, you'll learn how to calibrate your label material and properly load your label material. Thank you for taking the time to watch our tech support video. If you have additional questions, please feel free to contact tech support or find our contact information at astronovaproductid.com.